regarding tally form conversion tracking. So I just wrote a small blog post about it, and I'm gonna add a quick unedited video just to kind of showcase how it actually works. So I just implemented the tally conversion tracking to my own website. So the idea is that we do not redirect to a thank you page. We do not use outdated methods like that. Instead, we have a listener tag in our Google Tag Manager, which will listen for tally form submits, and then fills the data layer with them, fills the data layer variables. For example, I'm using email for Google Ads enhanced conversion tracking, and then it's gonna fire a special event, which is gonna fire a trigger, which will then fire our tags. So it's quite a setup, and it's all based on us listening for messages that are coming from Tally, because Tally is kind enough to send us those messages. So let's send the form and take a look. Okay, Tally form submitted. In Google Tag Assistant, I can now see that the Google Ads and the Google Analytics 4 events have been fired. So now here in Google Analytics debug view, I can in real time see that the setup is working correctly, and the Google Tag Manager sent the form submit event correctly to Google Analytics 4. I added, just for my first version, because I made this like 10 minutes ago, and I will be improving it today, but just showing a little demo of how it works. I just added one custom dimension form type to be tally, so I can always see that this isn't any like built-in Google Analytics 4 event tracking some outdated Squarespace form that I have forgotten to remove a few years ago, but this is actually the tally conversion, which is what I'm interested in. All right, take a look at the blog post. This is very technical, so this is pretty intense even for a JavaScript developer or a professional analytics, like a specialist. So I do recommend hiring a professional, getting in touch with me, for example. But if you know what you're doing, if you understand how Google Tag Manager works, how data layers, JavaScript listeners, data layer variables work, then this will explain the method. All right, cool. Thanks for watching. Get in touch if you need help with tally form conversion tracking.